See the email here. When an application is submitted through the form, the admin will receive an email as seen here. Applicant will receive an email like this. I had already logged out. Now, we will check the URL attached with the email. This is the link which is automatically generated as per the dynamic feedback form page settings. Click on the link to go the page. On the left-hand corner of the page, you can see your email ID as the login detail. See the category and subcategory of the exam. See the hidden page is displayed here. We will take the exam now. See the instructions here. Start online exam from here. Since we had configured the exam for 20 minutes, see the timer will start running as soon as we start the exam. Four questions will be randomly selected from all the 5 sections. There are only 19 questions in the exam. This happens so because there may be lack of available questions in any of the selected subcategory. Now, we will attempt some of the questions. These are C questions. These are C++ questions. Similarly, questions are added from all the mentioned sections. We will just mark the answers of the questions for the sake of completing the exam. We can submit it any time before 20 minutes time, otherwise, site will automatically submit the marked answers after 20 minutes. Here, I will submit the question before the deadline. Click on the Submit button to submit the answers. Once the candidate has submitted the answers, Control Panel will get the marks of the candidate and also the administrator will receive an email regarding the marks of the candidate. Now, go to the Admin Control Panel to view the results. Select Manage Exam Candidates option under Manage Staff Info. See the results will be listed here. I had scored 8 out of 19. If there are multiple candidates, it will be listed here. Click on the marks to get detailed exam result. See here, each sectional marks are displayed here. If you scroll down, detailed information about each questions can be seen here. I think I had forgot to set the email addresses and email server settings in the staff info. Go to default settings under manage staff info to set SMTP settings. Otherwise the email may not be sent. Set the host and port. Give a name and set any convenient email address here. With this, I think I had covered almost all the basic configuration settings required for online exams in WebCloud.